Yokes here, your instructor for the Sob haircut today. In this video, we will be going over all the steps to create the Von Savvy Sob, which is a soft bob. This is a look that's so sought after in the fashion industry. What's great is you're gonna get an inside look on how to do it step by step yourself. This look is so popular due to being chic and editorial, but yet very versatile for everyday wear. It can go from day to night or streetwear to catwalk. In just a few tips and a few minutes, we will be introducing you to the down low and be able to up your hair game. Now, if you want to own it, you have to do it. And there is a difference between technical and practical, and you need a little bit of both. Technical is learning the step by step. Practical is going into actions of those steps. And until you do it, it will not fully be yours to own. So get your doll head out and let's start learning together. Let's get started and cut hair like a boss. In the last video, we did some texturizing, so I'm finishing that up here, and now we're gonna go into a little styling. This is the opportunity to show your client who the pro is. It's important to ask questions and to give them tips. And the questions are, what do they use to style their hair with when it comes to soft tools, which is product, and then what heat elements are they using, which is hard tools, and that's their appliances like a blow dryer, flat iron, curling iron. These things are the habits that they're doing daily, which can cause damage or continue to have the hair stay really healthy. And if you notice, I am moving around with the blow dryer. I don't overheat one spot. I'm scrunching a little with my hands to keep the texture in there. I'm not going for a smooth, sleek look. I'm going for a textured look. So at the end of the day, it's a lived-in hairstyle. And if you notice, there's some really cool pieces that are just laying over the top and doing their thing. And that's what I like, is not every single hair into place. This goes into a lived-in look. And this particular client loves to have a little sass, borderline more high fashion. And as I'm cleaning up the neck, you're seeing I'm putting like a slight little arch to it. So there's it's longer towards the center in the middle, and then I'm scooping it up and back long towards the front. This I can spend hours doing. I love the little intricate touches, but this is what takes a great haircut to a wow factor. And those are the little baby hairs that I'm cleaning up that are on her neck. And you want to give them the best polished look possible, that when they go home, they're feeling really good and proud about their hair design. But this particular client is what I love, because I know they're gonna send me 10 or 20 more clients everywhere they go. So you wanna put your cards, that sounds dated, but it's not. You wanna put a handful of cards that she can do the quick draw McGraw from her purse and hand people that are like, I love your hair, where'd you go? That's always gonna be a part of my marketing. Almost every restaurant I go to, any store I go to, when I pay and tip, I leave my card with the tip. This is a fun little trio iron that I like, and I'm just literally clamping it in the middle of the hair to create a little smooth shine textured wave. And I would say that this is very lived in also, and it's very current, and it gives it a little bit of an edge instead of just a curly beach wave. I want her to look chic and classy and high fashion. You see, I still had an organized way of moving around the head. I went from the center back and made my way around to the left side. These are things that I also instruct the clients to do. Just like us, when we're cutting hair, you have more control when you section. It's gonna be the same thing for them at home when they're styling the hair, is you show them how to section off the top and the interior of the hair into 3 major sections and do the top last. But in this case, I just air dried her with a little scrunch and a little texture, because I was going to be putting in more texture. And I love how there's these little drop out, and that's the part of the drop down disconnect. The top is not exactly connected to the bottom. I hope that you had a blast. I hope you trust the process. Go ahead, take a picture of your doll head, post it, and tag Von Savvy Hair Academy. Now, wasn't that fun? Congratulations, you're done. You are cutting hair like a boss. I hope you enjoyed learning the step-by-step Von Savvy Sob. which is a soft bob. So take your time to duplicate what we've learned in this video onto your doll head. Happy cutting, and I do hope you enjoyed this technique.